Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda CB300R. This is the ABS model, fuel injected, liquid cooled, lightweight, street fighter. Beautiful matte blue finish, only 439 miles. This one's got the LED lights, LED turn signals, all standard. Beautiful condition. Come on by, make your CB300R dreams come true. Price to sell just $57.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.